You have any idea what measurement he wants?
An angle.
I don't know what line you want me to measure from.
Of course, because you're not listening. If you don't listen, then you're not going to learn.
I'm all ears.
Because I can't tell you any other way than the way I know how to do it. So if you got some other way, I'm all for it.
Come on, 65 years of wisdom.
You have to snap a line all the way through. You can take it all the way to the freaking end of the building if you want. I need the line, and that's what you measure to. From there all the way up, all the way down there. That's the only reference point you have.
I didn't know we were going to lay out here into the next building, but
Billy, we can't do it any other way. I mean, I don't know how much more I can tell you.
Get it. Get it. You go. Behind the scene. Behind the scene footage at Transfer Row.
are you wanting a horizontal dimension? Because I can give you this real quick, and then you can cut this really before you
You gotta step up or something.
Okay.
So you want just a horizontal from the
I want from the long point, the very top.
Here, hold that real quick.
Exactly.
Because I can't get it. There's no way.
I know there's no way. Now snap that line all the way through, and then you'll have something to give me a measurement on.
You should come over here and get a look. After all the shit we went through, you should come look at this.
Hey.
Or what? We good? Go.
Yeah.
It looks really cool from up here, or down here, looking at
Oh, that feels good. It's gotta be what? No joke. 30 or 40 degrees over here.
the hotter up there.
All right, Nikki, how does it feel to finally get some walls up and the roof started?
So great.
The skeleton of the roof.
Skeleton.
So great.
There we go.
It's coming together.
Did you ever think that you guys would be here? How many months into marriage are we?
6.5.
6.5. Yeah, woo, woo. First year,
7 days.
buying a house and decided, what the hell, let's just get a fixer-upper and just do it ourselves, huh? What the hell made you think about doing that?
Especially this much. Like, it's one thing to do like one of these.
I want to know whose idea? Whose idea?
My
Whose idea was it to do that?
My idea.
I was in LA. I didn't even see the house.
That's right. She
That's
didn't even
right.
buy
The
it.
house. I wasn't even here to look at it. So
And you had your wonderful husband say, I found this amazing house with this awesome yard.
Honks
And-
everywhere.
Hawks everywhere to get your dog.
That's right.
And you said, yes, go. What do you think?
yeah,
Think Think it's gonna be worth it? Think it's gonna be worth it?
8 months is what
Yeah.
it's gonna be a long 8 months.
We'll
After the
see.
4 months it's already been.
8 months? All right. Start the clock now, folks.
Maybe.